logistics company. 18-wheeler, American Pro Trucker. Big Mutha Truckers 2. Excite Truck. Driving School Simulator. Firefighters 2014. Woodcutter Simulator 2013. Turbo Dismount. Towtruck Simulator 2015. Rig and Roll. Dig IT and Digger Simulator. Extreme Roads USA. Euro Truck Simulator. Recycle. Big Mutha Truckers. Construction Machines 2014. 18 Wheels of Steel Extreme Trucker. BeamNG.drive. Scania Truck Driving Simulator. SPINTIRES. 18 Wheels of Steel American Long Haul. Euro Truck Simulator 2.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.